Good morning, viewers. This is my village Mayurdo, that is also situated in Kharmang Valley, and it's a small and beautiful village. And most of the villages are in this region, particularly Baltistan region, are always situated along with the river Indus, where the water bank that comes from the top of the mountain, and small canals or small water banks you usually find in this area, and these small villages are situated particularly along with that water bank and alongside the river Indus. This is actually mighty river Indus, which comes from Ladakh and Kargil, merging two rivers, I believe Jammu, Ladakh and Kargil river, that merged together before Ulding Valley, which is almost, if I'm not mistaken, about 60 to 70 kilometers from here, from this village. And it all the way comes from Kargil and Ladakh. Then it goes all the way from here. Look at this beautiful scene, beautiful view. Again, like yesterday, for last couple of days it has been cloudy here, and yesterday there was some rain shower at night, and that's why the weather has been cold for last 2 days. The winter, it seems that the winter has started. Yesterday even I noticed after the rainfall, a slight snowfall on the top of the mountains, which disappeared after the sunshine during the daytime. But that is a sign that if you find snow along with the rainfall in this season, that is the sign that winter has already started. So which I noticed yesterday, I witnessed myself. Yesterday when I woke up in the morning, I saw on the top of the mountain there was slight snowfall as well. So that was the first snowfall of the season, winter 2020-2021, I believe, which has already started. And to the other side you can see the end of Mayurdo village, and far the mountains of Kharmang Valley, Gandus, where Goresha lake is situated. Okay, you might see those mountains. Right in the middle of that mountains you will find Goresha lake, and this is village Mayurdo right now on 28th September 2020 at around 11:30 again. Just enjoy. Look at the view. Blue sky and little cloud and little sunny day and beautiful scene of river Indus. Here you go. This is Mayurdo village. All the way. This is the highway, Kargil road. This is Kargil road. Alongside the Kargil road there are houses, and these are the local trees. And that's it. Have a nice day.